Prions and illness. Prions are proteins responsible for several infectious diseases that can affect both humans and animal in humans. Prions cause a number of neurological diseases, which result in a decrease in cognitive function and that almost always end in death. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, often called mad cow disease because of its debilitating effect on bovines, is one such prion disease that strikes the human brain. Some others are fatal familial insomnia, Kuru, and Gerstmann-Straussler-Steinker disease. These diseases, while different, share some similarities, particularly their cause. Prion proteins are attached to cell surfaces and are usually not harmful. However, in each of the aforementioned diseases, a prion protein in the brain assumes a wrong shape, disrupting the cell it is attached to. This signals nearby prion proteins to form improper shapes, too. The process slowly spreads across the brain as it destroys neurons, builds up plaque-like matter, and makes holes in brain tissue. It is slow-moving, so it may take several years before the first symptoms are recognized. There are three main forms of prion diseases: acquired, genetic, and sporadic. People get acquired prion diseases through infections by bad prions, typically through food. Kuru, a prion disease that was once common in New Guinea, was caused by cannibals eating the brains of people with bad prions, and Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, which humans get from ingesting infected beef, is another example. Genetic prion diseases are passed from parents to children through genes as an error causes the genes that code prion proteins to make mutant prion proteins that, as the children age, attach to cells in the wrong shapes. Fatal familial insomnia, which is found in a few families worldwide, causes people to be unable to sleep, and eventually leads to death, is one such example. As for sporadic prion diseases, they have no definitive causes. Experts believe they manifest because of mutant genes, but are not certain why people acquire the diseases. Roughly 85% of prion diseases are sporadic as their victims are not exposed to infected food and family history of prion diseases.